So hey guys, today we're going to talk about GitHub Copilot Agent versus Cursor AI. So which platform is best in this year? So AI coding assistants are changing the way developers work by helping with code generation, debugging, and explanations. So two popular tools in this space are GitHub Copilot Agent and Cursor AI. So both aim to make coding faster and easier, but they approach in different ways. So GitHub Copilot Agent is an evolution of the well-known GitHub Copilot. It is designed to be more than just an autocomplete tool by acting like an assistant that can understand natural language requests. Developers can ask it to explain parts of code, suggest fixes, or even generate functions from plain English instructions. Because it is built into GitHub and backed by OpenAI models, it connects well with popular workflows and repositories. This makes it very useful for developers who already rely on GitHub for version control and collaboration. So the strength of Copilot Agent is its strong integration and reliability, although it is not as customizable as some alternatives. Now, Cursor AI, on the other hand, is a new code editor built around AI first features. It goes beyond autocomplete by letting developers chat directly with the AI about their project. Cursor AI can explain codebase, refactor files, and even follow project context across multiple files. It feels more like a coding partner than just an assistant. Its custom training options also allow developers to fine-tune the AI to their project, which makes it flexible. However, since it is a newer tool, it may not have the same ecosystem support as GitHub Copilot. So overall, GitHub Copilot Agent is ideal for developers who want a smooth, trusted tool inside GitHub, while Cursor AI is great for those who want a more interactive and customizable AI coding partner. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.